this maybe isn't how you drew it up for a Friday night in the month of June. Damp and dreary and cooler with the breeze. We have extensive cloud cover across the area and a little bit of light rain. We're going to cheer the mood up, though. It is a Friday evening. 63 degrees, northeast winds at 9 miles per hour, and dew points beginning to rise. Sign of more humidity coming into the area as rain starts falling from the sky. Temperature-wise, back into the 60s for all areas, with exception, few areas to the south and to the east. Upper Sandusky, you've been considerably warmer not only today, but the past several days. 72 in Tiffin, 70 Fremont, 65 Oak Harbor, 63 in Toledo, and 68 over toward Defiance. A lot of rain on radar, much of it very light rain. But it is rain that is going to become a nuisance and remain a nuisance across the area as we go through the evening. One round of rain that's moved across the area. Showers are going to continue to fill in off to the south and to the west. The area of low pressure that's going to continue to bring the rain extends a front into the southern edge of the area, and you can see the spin around that area of low pressure. Yet another cutoff low, or at least a slow moving area of low pressure that is bringing rainy weather. So what to expect the rest of your Friday evening? If you have plans outdoors, wish I had better news for you. It is going to be on and off with those steadier showers, and we're only going to drop from this point back into the lower 60s, and that was where we should hold even overnight tonight. Marblehead Lighthouse Camp, we're so used to looking at bright blue skies, gorgeous Friday weather. Not so much tonight. A lot of cloud cover and a lot of wet weather. On Lake Erie for tomorrow, still is going to be damp and cooler. 60s, scattered showers, especially early in the day. Should dry out into the afternoon, but an east-northeast wind will put those waves at 1 to 3 feet. If you'd rather stay maybe on shore or on land, you've got the Strawberry Fest in Holland, upper 60s to near 70. Rain in the morning, but we do anticipate it is going to dry out as you go into the afternoon. So let's put this in motion. Talk when we're going to have dry weather returning, because showers could be with us at least on and off the rest of your Friday evening. In fact, the steadiest of the rain that occurs while you sleep tonight. This is great news for the area gardens. Maybe it's the farm fields that have been recently planted too. They get a nice good drink of steady rain, just like you'd like it overnight into tomorrow morning. Problem is, it lingers much of the morning with that front that just stalls across the area. Will take us to about noon to 1 p.m. before the showers begin to evaporate, and then a few peaks of sun that will arrive late in the day Saturday. Rain totals, though, due to the duration of the steadier showers overnight into tomorrow, will focus some of the heaviest rain south of Toledo. We still see most areas around a half an inch or less. Lighter totals in southern Michigan, but there is this stripe right along the 224 corridor, so heads up from Ottawa to Findlay to Tiffin. You could be over an inch of total rainfall. Upper 60s, that's it for Saturday. Another day with that cooler lake breeze. Those winds could gust up to about 20 miles per hour through the afternoon. Mostly cloudy skies. That rain is going to be likely much of Saturday morning. Tapers off between about noon and 2 p.m. Upper 70s on Sunday, Father's Day. It is looking outstanding. And then 80s next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And there will be some scattered showers and storms midweek, but we do warm up and bring the heat and humidity back for next week.
I have to ask this. Okay, the normal high for today is around 84 degrees.
Lower 80s, yeah.
We're 20 degrees below normal there. We're coming off the month of May where we were overall lower than normal.
Right? What gives?
From your meteorological expertise, does Mother Nature hate us?
I'm just delaying summer. That's all I'm saying.
But summer is only this period of time. I mean, if we lose this,
right,
then it's like...
We'll probably be kicking this heat down the road a little. Official data came in yesterday. We have yet to see a 90-degree day so far this year. That is much later than average. Typically, we'd see that by June, that first week of June. We don't have any 90s in that 10-day forecast, so just a delayed start to the summer season.
Okay, thanks, Chris.